Hello friends, I hope you all are good and fine and you are awesome. I'm also a beginner and try my best to improve myself, and that's why I'm practicing every day, and this thing make me more improvement in myself, and I hope you love my videos. I am new and I have started my journey of English learning. In previous video, you see I am talking about tongue twisters and very enjoyable that tongue twisters, and that tongue twister help us to improve our pronunciation, word things, and make our is speaking fluent. And in this video, well, I am going to take some words meaning, and today's video we are going to talk about word meaning. Then let's start our video. First word meaning is authentication, means verify. Second is menace, khatra, danger. Third is trap, jal. And fourth is deceive, धोखा, betray. And let's move to the next one is fifth number, compliance, बात मानना. And the sixth number is surveillance, निगरानी. And seven number is guise, मतलब वेश, भेष. And the last one is villa, means a beautiful and luxurious house and large house. If you like this, please join with me and let's together make our English improve and make our English fluent. Thank you so much.